Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can remove domains from your cPanel account. So let's get right into it. Now, you can only remove add-on domains or subdomains. As far as I'm aware, you have one main domain which is tied directly to your account in most cases, so that is one that you cannot really remove. However, you can remove the rest through built-in functionalities on cPanel. I'll be showing you this support topic simply because I don't have cPanel at the moment. But yeah, as you can see, it's a very short process, very simple to do. What you need to do is, of course, log into your cPanel account, then go to cPanel domains and then domains again, and then you'll see a list of all your domains. Once you're there, you just need to click manage next to the right a domain to the right of that domain, and then you'll be able to click remove domain, which will then promptly remove it once you're done with it. And that is pretty much it. As I've mentioned, I'm pretty sure you have one main domain that you cannot remove from your account. However, any add-on domains or subdomains on that account will be able to be removed. You just go to the manage tab, click remove next to it, and that should be all there is to it. And yeah, as I mentioned, really simple, 3 steps, as short as it gets. Again, sorry I couldn't show you guys hands-on how to do this, but it is what it is. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.